So, how do you feel about the workshop?
Well, it's really useful. Okay. Well, actually, I'm a little bit surprised because at first I thought that I can, do by myself. I learned from the video, from YouTube, those kind of things. But I found out after I joined this workshop, everything so much easier. So now I know how to use Canva and I can design a very good one.
Or what significant skills that you think improves while you're joining this workshop?
Well, what is it? Design.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then using all the, feature that Canva has. And it really helps me.
Okay. I think that's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Halo, nama saya Alfian Permana dari Lia Cibur. Semenjak saya mengikuti pelatihan Canva di LDC Lia Pengadegan, yang tadinya saya belum bisa atau belum mengerti tentang Canva, setelah mengikuti pelatihan Canva ini, saya menjadi tahu cara menggunakan Canva, dasar-dasar menggunakan Canva juga, cara membuat animasi di Canva. Ternyata selama ini saya baru tahu setelah mengikuti Canva ini, di Canva bisa membuat kayak pekerjaan kita lebih mudah untuk membuat flyer, poster ataupun spanduk.
Mau bisa desain?
Ikut aja Canva workshop di
LDC.